slipping through my hands. I try to be strong, but I'm losing the fight, crying in silence in the middle of the night. Every prayer feels like it hits the sky and falls back down with no reply. But deep in the pain, I still hear your voice calling me gently, telling me to rejoice. Even in the darkness, you are still near, wiping every hidden tear. God, I am heartbroken. Come fill this void. Take every shattered piece I can't avoid. Breathe life into what feels destroyed. God, I am empty. Come fill this void. Hold me together when I fall apart. Put your healing hands on my heart. Where I am weak, be my strength, my voice. God, I am broken. Come fill this void. I've carried burdens I can't explain, smiling outside, but drowning in pain. Lord, you see what nobody sees, the hidden storms inside of me. I gave my trust, I gave my all. Still I watched it crumble and fall. But if you're here, then I'll survive. You are the reason I'm still alive. When I can't see you, I will believe you're working in the unseen. God, I am heartbroken. Come fill this void. Take every shattered piece I can't avoid. Breathe life into what feels destroyed. God, I am empty. Come fill this void. Fill the silence, feel the pain. Let your love fall like the rain. Wash away every fear inside. Be my shelter, be my guide. I surrender, I release every burden. Give me peace. You're the answer. You restore. Fill this void for turn all my sorrow into joy. Restore the things the pain destroyed. God, I am desperate. Fill this void. Take every tear, every scar. Remind me of who you are. You are my healer, my hope, my voice. God, I am yours. Come fill this void. Even in brokenness, I will believe you are enough. You are all I need. God, I am heartbroken, but you restore. Come fill this void forever.